When it comes to Zoho Books versus SlickPie, which one has the more robust tax settings? That's the question we'll be answering today, but here's the thing, both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, and what might work for one business may not work for another. Stay tuned to find out which software truly stands out when it comes to managing taxes and which one might leave you wanting more. Let's dive straight into the first point, tax support and automation. Zoho Books offers a pretty robust tax feature with automated tax calculations based on the region your business operates in. It supports multiple tax rates, which can be a real lifesaver for businesses working in different states or countries. You can set up tax preferences and apply them automatically to transactions, and it even integrates well with VAT and GST setups. But, and this is important, the tax system can feel a bit rigid for businesses with more complex needs, like international tax setups with multiple currencies. Now, the next thing to consider is ease of use. SlickPie is known for being a super intuitive option. The tax settings are simpler to configure, and the user interface is really clean. SlickPie also offers automatic tax calculations, but it's not as customizable as Zoho Books. This is great if you have a straightforward business that doesn't deal with complex tax codes, but it could be limiting for those who need flexibility. The third thing to talk about is integration with other tools. Zoho Books shines here, whether it's tax filing integrations or syncing with e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Amazon. Zoho Books has a lot of options. It gives you a lot of control over how taxes are calculated based on the platform you're selling from and integrates well with major tax filing services. SlickPie, on the other hand, while it does have some integrations, doesn't quite match Zoho's depth in this area, which could be a deal breaker for businesses that need to pull in tax data from multiple sources. Next up, international tax features. Zoho Books has solid support for international businesses, especially those that need to manage VAT or GST in different regions. You can set up tax rates based on countries and regions, which makes it adaptable to different tax systems worldwide. SlickPie, however, doesn't offer the same level of flexibility for international tax requirements. If you're running a global business, Zoho is definitely the better choice. The fifth thing to think about is support and resources. Zoho Books has extensive documentation, live chat, and email support, which is great if you run into any issues with your tax setup. They also have community forums where you can find advice on tax-related questions. SlickPie offers support, but it's more limited. While it's still helpful, it doesn't have the same depth of resources or community engagement as Zoho Books, which might leave you feeling stranded if you're struggling with taxes. And the final thing to mention is cost. Zoho Books is more expensive than SlickPie, but you get what you pay for. The tax features are more robust, and the overall software offers greater flexibility. SlickPie, while cheaper, lacks the advanced tax management features that come with Zoho Books, so it may not be the best choice for growing businesses or those with more complex tax needs. So, here's the thing. Both Zoho Books and SlickPie are good software solutions, but if you're looking for something that truly excels in tax management, Zoho Books clearly takes the lead. However, if you want a better alternative that goes even further with tax management and offers more flexibility, then check out the first link in the description. It'll take you to a software with a free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Give it a shot and see how it compares for yourself.